Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to enable the data saving mode on your Opera mobile browser. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe and below. We just quickly move on to the video. So, how to enable the data saving mode on your Opera mobile browser? So, the data saving mode is to save the internet data connection. If you have a limited connection, you can just use this option on your Opera mobile browser. It has that feature. It's super amazing feature. First, therefore, you just need to click on the profile option, like a profile icon on the bottom section, customize Opera, access your saved content like that. Click on this, and you will see an option called the data saving. Here you can find this option here. Just you want to turn it on. Now you can see the data saving enabled. You just click on the setting option. So here you can see that is about how the data saving will be useful. So data saved, you can see how many MB has been saved, and you can just change the image process also. You can just choose a low quality or medium quality if you just need it, or you can just turn it off. So this can make data saving for your browsing option. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.